Hi Sunday, this is Meher Tahir. Thank you for having me. So I'm basically a lawyer and I quit my job in New York and I basically came back to Pakistan to pursue music and acting. So yeah, music has taken most of my time though. It was a hobby, but I have to admit at this point, this is the only thing I feel like doing. So yeah, it's more than a hobby now. It's a passion, of course. I think any artist who starts this journey, obviously they have a goal set in their mind that they want to be the next big thing, right? In Pakistan, for women, I think there's a lot of space. There aren't much female artists, so there's so much gap in the market, and I'm hopefully going to fill that gap. So that's my goal.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया इश्क का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया.
I'm going to say something which is very controversial, but actually पढ़े लिखे लोगों के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है इस फील्ड में pursue करना कुछ चीजें, because when you come with a lot, and it's also like the fault is on our part, not on the industry's part. We come with a lot of preconceived notions and we think that no, we are above this. We're not going to audition. We're not going to do that. But you have to break those boundaries and you have to come down. It's really hard in the beginning, but you have to meet the right people who are willing to help you. So in my case, the record label signed me and they want to introduce new artists, and I think that really worked for me. Oh, that's a good question. I think Momina Mustessim. Yeah, I think she is somebody I really look up to, a good friend as well. And I would love to. I think Pakistan needs a female-female collaboration.
हो गई गलती तेरी गल्ला बिच आके वे मैं पलटी बड़े बड़े ठुकरा के तेनू मेरिया वफावां दी कदर नहीं जे तू इंज रहा ते मैं करके दिया किसी और दे नाल टुर जाना फिर करी ना गिला नहीं सुनना तेरा अज झूठा कोई बहाना अद्धी रात दे वज गए दो सो गई माँ ते सो गया प्यो दस तू किथे रह गया इतना ही बहुत है.
It took me 5 years to get to my first debut. And I think the only thing that worked for me was that I did not give up. My advice, however, to people who want to pursue this would not be to not give up. There are times you're going to want to give up, and it's okay. But find out what kind of music you really want to do. That's the only thing that's going to not just your genre, but also like the sound. Your tone is very important. You have to be sure that you know what you're doing, because there are too many good people out there.
सुन बेखबरा दिल बेसबरा खारे केड़े केड़े ख्वाब सजा बैठा असा रोकिया भी नहीं कुछ सोचिया भी नहीं किथे जावांगे जे दिल तू दुखा बैठा.
Thank you.